So something's different this month. As you can see, I have received a box instead of the regular bag for the month of November. Pretty sure one of my subscribers told me that they received the box last month. The box is like for the Glam Bag Plus. But anyway, so this month I will be reviewing and trying on as always to see if this month was worth it. Also did get some add-ons, which is a beautiful palette. I also got a highlighter. Did pretty much like everything else on my face. Foundation, bronzer, blush. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. New welcome, my name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. A beautiful box says discover yourself, then the Ipsy bag just came in here. I guess they forgot to seal it because it just came like this. It was like open. I was like, was someone messing with my bag? But no, everything was in it. No big deal, whatever, it happens. So let me show you the things I got, and I'll also show you the add-ons. Look how beautiful the bag is for this month. Pretty print, don't you think? Brown with the pink, I think is nice. I don't think it's like the most beautiful one we have received, but I like it. I can't complain. Very hard for me like not to like a bag. I usually really like them. And in this month they did collaborate with Gigi Gorgeous. First thing we're gonna start with, and it's a lip balm, and this is what it looks like. Gigi Gorgeous Living Lip Balm in Natalia. Name for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get your glowing on your own terms. Clear, lightweight lip balm is made with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil to hydrate and nourish lips. This is what it looks like once you open it. It just says gorgeous. It just says made in China, and the name, which is Talia. And this is how much you get. I personally love lip balms. It's what I use every day. When I'm doing my videos, I'll put like lipsticks, you know, for the looks, but my regular every day, this is what I use. If we smell it, I swear to God, maybe it's just me. Tell me if it's just me, but like everything that they send like lip-wise of Ipsy smells like the same to me. It's like the same scent. I don't know what it is, but I love it. It's really sweet and good. So my lips are feeling pretty dry right now. We do have another lip item from Huda, just letting you know. So I'm gonna put this before we get to that point. That feels nice. And look at that, you get a little bit of glow. Got a brush from Moda, and this is the Moda Pro line. It's very nice, all black. I think we're gonna apply, I ordered a highlight as my add-on because, you know, I'm obsessed with highlight. So that's what I think we're gonna apply the highlight with. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice. Moda Pro Glow Brush. Yes, you can play favorites. This hardworking brush precisely highlights, sets under eye, and blends harsh edges, making it much loved at Ipsy headquarters. With silk touch and waterproof handles. No, seriously, like the handle is really nice. I'm happy to have this in my collection, and it does feel super soft. Like, I'm telling you, super soft. Luxe Synthetic Fiber Blend. You'll be able to glow like the pros. I'm leaving the best for last. Don't worry, like there's good stuff coming. If you've seen any of my other Ipsys, I don't remember what other month. I thought I received the same exact thing. I said it was the best smelling cream I have ever received. I still think it to this day. And it's by the brand Delectable. And it's the Butter Balm Hand Cream. Really, I just put this one on today. That's why I have it like close to me here. But this one says it's a body butter cream. Hand cream, body butter. So not exactly the same, I guess. 1 ounce here. This is a triple citrus blend by Cake Beauty. Is a collection of natural, cruelty-free, and vegan products. Driven by shea butter, this miracle worker nourishes dry hands and smooths out flaky skin. It smells heavenly thanks to a fragrant trio of orange, tangerine, and grapefruit essential oils. Smells like the beach to me. It smells so good. I can't wait to open this. I like to put it like on on my feet and my heels, anywhere, and it feels good. It doesn't feel greasy, like, oh, you feel sticky. Nothing. Trust me, it smells good. I'm so happy I received it. Very happy, because this one is a bit empty. Pixie, and this is really cute. It's the Pixie by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Mineral Bronze. And you know, when I read this, I really thought that it was a bronzer. I don't know why, but it's not. An eyeshadow duo. It says, time is precious, and no one knows that better than Pixie by Petra's founder, a mom of 4. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go life. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features a buttery smooth gray taupe on the left and a deep bronze on the right. So it says, applying to lids using a brush or use fingertips for more intensity. I love applying eyeshadow with your fingertips. Nothing makes it look more beautiful than that, I'm telling you. Don't forget eyelid primer to maximize staying power. Really cute. It's so small. I did order as an add-on this whole palette, so I don't know how I'm gonna use this. I'll just put a little. We'll be using this. I received this Huda Beauty liquid matte. I have reviewed several of her lipsticks before. I'm very happy that I received the shade that I don't previously have, and this one is in the color Medusa and is a liquid matte lipstick. This is the full size. I love the sets that she comes out with, you know, the ones that are like the lips. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Several colors actually that I have reviewed. The Bombshell one I reviewed, Trophy Wife. Go to my channel if you want to see them and just type in Huda Beauty. It'll come up. Smells really good too. Gonna try to like do something with the eyes that will go good with this lipstick. This color is described as a dusty mauve shade for all skin tones. These were my 2 add-ons, which I'll be talking about now. So I ordered this from Wander Beauty. I have been trying several of things from this brand recently. I think it's been more like skincare. Okay, so this Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow After Hours. This is a 0.09 ounce, and it says it's formulated without mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, cruelty free, paraben free, made in Taiwan. So it's really cute. I'm really hoping that it looks nice when I apply it. I did swatch it for you guys to see, but I couldn't like not have a highlight, like no. Star of the show here is this Nomad palette, and I was going back and forth like, should I get it, should I get it, should I not get it? Thought maybe you guys would want to see it. They have sent individual eyeshadows from this brand Nomad before. I really liked it, just the shades that they've sent me haven't been out of my favorite. I just swatched them, and let me tell you, oh my god, this formula, I'm not kidding. You can look at the swatches yourself. I'll just read the back for you so you can see what it says. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Intense eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments for a fierce color payoff. Infused with hemp seed oil to help energize and nourish skin. 15 alternative shades inspired by the rebellious underground culture of Berlin before and after the wall. These are the colors here. Here I have it swatched already, so I will put like the clip of how this really looks. But look at these shades, and I love the design, the print that they have. I'm gonna put the swatches here. You have to see. These are to die for. Okay, so the eye look is all done. As you can see, I tried to use several colors because I wanted to try as many as I could in one look. These are like the most matte out of like the palette. This one like a transition shade. I usually like something a little bit lighter as transition, but it worked. I did try to use like this purple too, since this is like on the purpley mauvey side. Did use the black as well, like in the outer corner, like to deepen it up a bit. This color here, which is gorgeous, on the inner corner, just for that pop of color. This one and this one, if you saw the swatches, which if you're still watching you probably saw the swatches, this color, oh my god, is insane. Formula is no joke. Like seriously, I never heard of this brand before, Ipsy. That's how I got introduced to it, and I'm very happy that I bought the palette. Just with the swatches alone, I was like mesmerized, and it's really hard. Usually when I swatch stuff, I'll say like, let's not mind the swatches, let's see how it applies on the eyes, but from the point of the swatches, it was like insane. They all blended nicely, so creamy and buttery, and it's just so easy to work with. Got it like, what was it, $12? I think I want to create another look because there's so many other colors that I want to play with, like really smoky. I just love a smoky look. I know if you guys would want to see like another look with this palette. Before we do the lips, I'm going to put some highlight on. We're gonna put the Wonder Beauty highlight again in After Hours. We'll be testing out this brush, which they said we can you know, set the under eye after our concealer or do whatever we like. So we are going to use some of this. I don't know how much it's gonna show, so hopefully that wasn't at least on me, it doesn't look too gold. Obviously, it's a golden color, so it's not ashy, it's nothing like that. Blending it out like really nicely. It doesn't look too much like powdery. Obviously, it doesn't look like a supernatural glow. I feel like it really looks good with my skin tone. I'm obsessed with highlights. I have reviewed several drugstore and high-end. If you would want to see, I have a playlist. Now to this color. Let's see how is it gonna look with this eye combo here. By the way, I will do a close-up of the look, so no worries. Let's just finish this up. So again, this is Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the you know, with this formula is very what would you call it, runny, liquidy. So I would say it's best to like try to line your lips or be careful because it's very easy to like mess up. I did a little, I just had to clean it up, but I really like this color. I would try to do it, I don't know, maybe play with the eye look a little more. I don't know how I feel about this combo. What do you think? Dries down to a matte. I like this color, I can't deny.